Quick reading for June the 11th to June the 12th, Aries. Your cards are the Three of Charisma, the Nine of Wisdom, and the Sun. Meron ditong realization na unti-unti na ako in love, unti-unti nang ang puso ko, no, parang minamahal na rin talaga yung tao, mas lalong lumalalim ang aking pagmamahal. It felt like with the Sun in here, nagkakaroon din ng parang yung pag-asa, especially for those who are in separation or having some challenges with their relationship. As of the moment, with the Three of Charisma, nandito kasi bakit mas pipiliin ko yung away, yung separation, wherein maayos naman, pwede namang ayusin or pwede pa naming ayusin, no? With the 10 of Charisma and the 6 of Wisdom, ito yata yung paghingi ng tawad, paggawa, no, ng mga actions wherein pwede nating sabihin na mas ibibigay ko yung karapat-dapat, mas magiging showy ako, mas magiging abundant ako, no? Or expressive, no? Sa aking person. So this is your quick reading for June the 11th to June the 12th, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.